Today we're here at God's Love We Deliver in the kitchen, and I wanted to show you a knife cut that I love for carrots. It's called Oblique. Obviously here in the kitchen they cut hundreds of pounds of vegetables a day, and this is a fun way to practice. So get with me, get your knife, because you know it's easy AF. Let's go. Okay, so this is a carrot and we're doing the oblique cut. Very easy. You start on an angle, you make your first cut, and then you just keep turning. It's a little more than a 45-degree turn, and you get these great little cuts. They're not triangles, they're not circles, they're obliques. And it's a fun way to cut a carrot because you don't typically do it this way. And you can do anything. They can go in stews, soups, salads, or if you mess up, they go into vegetable puree. When you get to the end there, you can cut it in half and then cut that half in half. Same on there. And then you have the oblique cut. So now we're all gonna do it together. And of course, all of these carrots are gonna go into the meals that help feed all the clients at God's Love We Deliver, because food is love and food is medicine, and this is what we're working on. So this oblique cut is a little bit fancier than we normally do here at God's Love. We usually do a soup cut or a dice. So we're just trying this out for fun. But when you come to volunteer, you don't have to know how to do this. Just a dice or a soup cut and you start right away. As you see, the oblique cut is fun and easy. I love coming to God's Love and volunteering and giving back, because just like this cut, it's easy AF.